Hello again. In my day, if one wished to attend a business exhibition, or expo as the youth of today seem to call it, one would need to board a locomotive train to London to visit Olympia, Earl's Court, or perhaps even the Crystal Palace before it. Whereas now, via the medium of the World Wide Web, one can mingle with the great and the good from the business world and peddle your wares from the comfort of your own home or office without even having to put on one's trousers. I am here today to announce the Great British Business Expo on Wednesday the 18th of November, where one can expect keynote speakers, amazing workshops, speed networking, hundreds of exhibitors, and many thousands of visitors from around the globe. To get your tickets, visit greatbritishbusinessexpo.co.uk. Making Britain truly great again. Good day.